Welcome to a vibrant journey through the world of football fandom, where the humble football shirt stands as a symbol of passion, loyalty, and fashion. Every 2 seconds, a fan somewhere in the world proudly purchases a football shirt, a testament to the deep connection between clubs and their supporters. But have you ever wondered why these jerseys come with a hefty price tag? Join us as we dive into the fascinating history and economics of football shirts, uncovering the reasons behind their soaring costs and the role they play in the colorful tapestry of football culture. From the early days of simple colored caps to today's high-tech, fashion-forward jerseys, let's explore how these shirts became more than just sportswear, evolving into cherished tokens of fandom and style. In the realm of football, the jersey is not just a piece of clothing, but a symbol of allegiance and passion, driving a massive global market. This surge in demand and the consequent price hike of football shirts are influenced by various factors, including branding, marketing, and the evolution of the sport itself. As clubs and manufacturers tap into the fervent fan base, they leverage advanced technologies and design innovations to create jerseys that are more than just team colors. They're fashion statements and collector's items. This evolution has transformed football shirts into lucrative commodities, with top clubs like Manchester United leading the charge. The escalating costs reflect not only inflation and production expenses, but also the growing desire of fans to connect with their favorite teams in a tangible, fashionable way. The 1970s heralded a pivotal change in football attire, mirroring the societal shift towards more expressive and colorful lifestyles. Teams like Palermo and Hamburg donned unconventional pink jerseys, breaking away from traditional colors. This shift was not just about aesthetics. It represented the burgeoning relationship between football and commerce. Braunschweig's sponsorship deal with Jägermeister set a precedent, opening doors for football clubs to explore lucrative branding opportunities. Initially met with resistance, this concept soon gained acceptance as broadcasters and clubs recognized the financial potential. The monetization of football jerseys transformed them from mere team identifiers to significant revenue generators, laying the groundwork for the multi-million-dollar merchandising industry we see today. The escalation in football shirt prices also reflects the growing market demand and the evolution of the shirts themselves. Modern football shirts are available in 2 versions, authentic and replica. Authentic shirts, designed for performance, feature advanced technology and materials to enhance players' comfort and efficiency on the field. Replica shirts, on the other hand, focus on fan comfort, offering a more relaxed fit suitable for everyday wear. This distinction caters to a diverse fan base, from those seeking the on-field experience to casual supporters. The introduction of the more expensive authentic versions meets a rising demand from fans desiring a closer connection to their football heroes, further driving up average prices. This trend is a testament to the deep emotional connection fans have with their clubs, where shirts represent more than just merchandise. They are symbols of loyalty, passion, and identity. A deeper look into the pricing of football shirts reveals a complex picture. A standard shirt today costs approximately 3 times more than it did 30 years ago, but this increase is largely due to inflation. Adjusted for inflation, the cost of a football shirt remains consistent over time. The introduction of authentic versions, mirroring the actual gear worn by players, alongside the standard replica versions for fans, has also played a role in the pricing landscape. These authentic shirts, designed for performance with premium materials, are priced higher than the more comfort-focused replicas. This differentiation caters to a growing demand among fans seeking a more authentic experience. The heightened interest in football shirts reflects not only their role as fan merchandise, but also as fashion statements and collectibles. The market dynamics of football shirts have evolved, with brands and clubs responding to the increasing demand by offering both authentic and replica versions. Authentic shirts are designed for performance, featuring advanced materials to enhance player comfort and efficiency on the field. In contrast, replica shirts, tailored for fans, prioritize comfort and casual wearability. This differentiation caters to a diverse consumer base, from hardcore fans seeking an authentic experience to casual supporters looking for comfortable fan wear. The demand for both versions of football shirts drives their pricing strategy. As fan engagement with football grows, so does their willingness to pay for these cherished items. The pricing of football shirts has always been a reflection of their value to fans, dating back to their inception. Today, this value is not just in the shirt itself, but in the connection it symbolizes with the club, its history, and its iconic moments. The price of a football shirt is thus a composite of its manufacturing cost, brand value, and the emotional connection it fosters among fans worldwide. Understanding the economics behind football shirts illuminates the broader picture of sports merchandising. While manufacturing and logistics constitute a significant portion of the cost, the final retail price encompasses various other factors. Retail margins, marketing efforts, and licensing fees from football associations contribute to the final price tag. The high retail prices are not merely a result of brand greed, but a reflection of the complex supply chain and the significant value these shirts hold in the sports and cultural domains. The enduring appeal and growing demand for football shirts ensure their place as a key revenue stream for clubs and a cherished emblem for fans, underscoring their importance in the global sports industry. While the margin on each shirt sold is considerable, it's not as exorbitant as some might believe. The end profit for a brand like Adidas is a balance of costs versus revenue, considering all factors in the supply chain. The growing interest in football shirts, including retro and match-worn jerseys, has created a robust market, with the highest margins often realized in secondary markets like eBay. This enthusiasm for football shirts is fueled by more than just team loyalty. These jerseys represent memories, friendships, and significant moments in the lives of fans. Indeed, the realm of football shirts represents a unique intersection of sports, fashion, and cultural identity. The pricing of these shirts, often perceived as high, is shaped by various factors, including the costs of production, transportation, marketing efforts, and brand affiliations. Additionally, the licensing fees paid to football federations play a significant role. However, beyond their material value, these shirts carry an emotional and historical significance for fans. They encapsulate memorable moments, iconic victories, and personal connections to teams and players. This emotional value, often immeasurable, is what truly elevates football shirts from standard sportswear to treasured symbols of loyalty and heritage in the global sports landscape. As we wrap up our exploration into the fascinating world of football shirts, it's clear that these jerseys are more than just sportswear. They are a blend of fashion, fandom, and cultural significance, interwoven with the history and evolution of the beautiful game. From their humble beginnings to becoming fashion icons and collector's items, football shirts have told the stories of clubs, players, and fans alike. So the next time you don your favorite team's shirt, remember it's not just a piece of fabric, it's a piece of history and a symbol of your passion for the game. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of football shirts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Athletic Interest for more insightful stories from the world of sports. Share your thoughts and your favorite football shirt stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep celebrating the sport, the style, and the spirit of football.